Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. So this week's video is our December Boxycharm and IPSY unboxing and review. So if you want to hear about the products we got for this month and our thoughts on them, keep watching.
First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You O.P.E.N. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. You O.P.E.N. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, O.P.E.N. O.P.E.N.
Let me start off with the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Briar Rose palette. So this retails for $55 and it has 12 eyeshadows. It's so pretty. Look at it, guys. Just the colors. I use this one. And I use this one, and I use this one, and this one. I used a lot of colors. I used 5 colors out of the 12 because I really wanted to see, like, I wanted to give a good review. I was having a hard time with this dark color to blend out. It was doing this weird, stupid thing on the inner corner, but it worked out. It was fine. I was fine. The other colors blend out really well. I applied this color, which is Castle, on the lid, but I wet the brush, but I didn't need to wet the brush, and it's still like it's shimmering. It's
there.
It's super there. And I put Fairy Tale on the inner corner, and it's just taking my breath. They're so pretty, and you could do so many looks with. So that was the first one, and then we have LMS, the Pro Collagen Rose Face Oil. So just right here. I'm not a fan of the smell. I did choose this product. Like, I think with skincare products, you have to like see how they wear out throughout the day, or like see how your skin reacts to it before you could give like a legit
review.
Yeah, opinion on it. And that was $79. Ooh. Next was this confetti highlighter by Ciate
London.
Ciate. This product is $32. It's really pretty, but I feel like it's too dark for my skin tone. I tried it out. I put a little bit on top of my ColourPop highlighter. It's pretty. It's really pretty. I think I could use it as an eyeshadow.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I feel like it'd be nice in the summer if you want like a bronzy, like a really glowy kind of thing. You could do that. But yeah, you can't.
Yeah.
It won't work as a highlighter for you.
Nah, it's still pretty. It's really pretty. That was $32. Then I have this fresh soil face cleaner that I have not used, but it smells great. But it smells like cucumber. I can't wait to try it. It says that it's for all skin types. It's gentle cleanser for face and eyes. I don't know what. What?
You could probably use it to take off your makeup.
I never heard of that.
An eye cleanser?
But I like this brand, Fresh. I have a couple other stuff. That was $48. Then I have the Daily Concept Daily Hair Towel Wrap. Haven't tried it, but I'm sure I'll like it. It's one of those microfiber ones for anti-freeze type of BS. These are like essentials that you just kind of need. Then I have this IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. It smells bomb. It smells so good. It smells fresh. Cindy says that it smells like...
I feel like that smells like cucumbers too. Kind of like, it's similar to the face wash kind of. It smells good.
It smells really good. Doesn't leave a like the white cast.
A white cast.
I hate that. But I tried it and I really liked it. It was great. Then I have this Greengrass Dry Oil Spray Beach Spray. This is retails for $27. This is just the dry oil, and it says on here that you could use it for, it says multi-use for body, face, and hair. I like how it smells. I really like how this smells. Compared to the LMS one, this just smells fresh. It smells like beach. This is good. Can't really say anything else about it. Then I have this Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss in the color Two Nightstands. Oh, Jesus. This is $21 and it's so pretty. It has this like really pinky color, like tint, little flecks of glitter that shift colors, and it's like a rosy gold, and then also there's pink in there. No, not pink, blue. It's just pretty. It looks good, and I thought it was gonna look really well with the eye look that I did, and it did. It looks good. And then last, Cosmetics facial roller that retails for $69. I don't know. Look, it claims to do all type of stuff, but I don't think it's worth $69. But is it supposed to do like
It's supposed to like stimulate blood flow,
yes,
that kind of thing. I've never used one.
it does. Just try it on your hair. It feels heavy though. It feels expensive, but I don't know if it's doing anything for my skin. I don't
I'm
know
not
if
a
it's
face roller
really-
type of person.
Oh, and I should mention I have the Boxycharm Boxy which is the seasonal one. So you get Boxy Lux every is it 3 months? Every 3 months, I believe. And I really like this month. It was a good one. It was a good Christmas type of vibes. Like getting this and opening it for December, I was like, which one? I was really excited for the palette. When I first saw the palette, I was just like, it's such a pretty palette. But yeah, that's everything.
What was your total retail value?
My total was $385, and I paid $53 for this. So it's definitely worth it. I will buy it again.
It's like I'm signed up already, so you know. All right, so for me, this month I got the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Robin Hood palette. It's a 6-color palette. 6 normal. These are like standard size pans, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Really, really pretty colors. I used almost every color in here. Oh, I think I'm lying. Did I use them all? I'm lying. I used them all.
You did?
I did. I used them all. Plus, I used all of these, plus the little eyeshadow that I got in my IPSY bag. So there's that. The colors for me blended out really, really well. I love the shimmers. I feel like the color payoff was really there. They were just very, very pigmented for me. I liked it a lot, and I like the color scheme of it too. So that's that. That retails for $35. The next item I got is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Looks like this. Cute little packaging and everything.
That's the product you chose, right?
Yes, this is the one that I chose. It is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting the skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. Look at that. I did use it under my foundation. It does feel really nice. Like she said, I feel like I can't give too much of a review on skincare stuff because I haven't been wearing it for too long. But when I first put it on, it did feel really hydrating and my skin felt really soft. So there's that. That retails for $39. The next product is the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher from Ciate London. Looks like that. Cute little packaging. This retails for $26. I feel like it did blend out really well. The color payoff is there. I applied very lightly because I was afraid that it would be too much because it's like a hot pink. But it was pretty pigmented. I liked it. The next product I got is the Aesthetica Brush Cleanser and Conditioner Wet.
My little house.
So yeah, it's a brush cleaner. I haven't used it yet. Can't really tell you if I like it or not. But in the next video, I can let you know. I'll let you know. So that retails for $12. And the last product I got is the Brow Bar. It's a little kit. Brow Makeover Kit. What does it say? Brow Bar by Rima. This is what it looks like. So you get two brow colors here. And I'm guessing this is supposed to be like a definer. Almost like a concealer kind of thing. And then it does come with the brow gel. A little tip like this. I use this, and a little double-sided brush, one for defining and one for cleaning up. So that's that. The brow gel I did like a lot. It has color to it. Most gels are clear. This one does have a color to it, and it is very
Pigment?
Yeah, I mean, like it shows the color really well, but it really sticks. It has a good hold. And that retails for $30. So altogether, my box came out to $142, and I paid $25 for it. So I feel like it's a pretty good value. And I feel like I was pretty happy with this month's box. I got a lot of stuff that I feel like I will actually use. So that was that. And then I also have my IPSY bag. And okay, so in my Ipsy bag this month, one of the things I got is this highlighting brush. Nice little defined highlighter, tapered highlighting brush. And I do like it a lot. Luxuriously dense synthetic bristles. 100% biodegradable handle with a matte velvet finish, vegan and cruelty free. So that's always nice. And it works really well, so that's great. The next product I got is this highlighter from Colored Rain. This is their Focal Point Glow Lighter in No Flash Needed. I really wish you could see it because it's a really, really pretty color. It looks like it would be super pale, which I was excited about because obviously I'm super pale and there's not a whole lot of highlighters I can use that'll show up on me without me looking like I got punched in the face. But it is actually pretty gold. I do have it on. I put it on over my ColourPop Super Shock highlighter just so that it wouldn't be too dark, but the color is really, really pretty. So, I mean, I can't complain about that. Another product I got was this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. It's not a matte bronzer. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, which I usually don't care for, but I haven't been minding very much lately. And it was really nice, blended out really well, and it wasn't like too warm, which I like. The next product I got was this eyeshadow from Phase Zero Makeup. If I can open it, because I've been having a hard time. This is in the color Banana Beige. You can kind of see that.
Oh, it has a little mirror.
Yeah, it's really cute. This is in the color Banana Beige. It is a shimmery shadow. Oh, and that's what I used in my inner corner for my highlight. And it is pretty pigmented, nice and like a buttery shimmery kind of formula. I really liked it. And then the last product I got was this H2O Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment Water Gel Moisturizer. And I haven't used it, so I can't really tell you anything on it. But this little one, this little guy as well. But yes, so that is my Ipsy bag for this month. The brush I did get to pick, because now you can pick one product with your Ipsy bag as well. And I paid, is it $12 now? I think it's $12 now a month for Ipsy. Anyway, I like my Ipsy bag as well. So, what else do we got?
So that's it.
That's it.
That's pretty much it for the month of December.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video of our December Boxycharm / Ipsy unboxing, try on, review. Alright guys, well we hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you get notified every time we upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye!
Why did we say bye?
I don't know.
That should be good. I'll just cut it off.
Yeah. That's cute.